Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a new video. Today's video I'll be talking about the benefits of steaming your hair. I'll be doing a demonstration and I do have a special for you. Now you can get the horsetail leaf growth oil, buy one, get one free. So if you've had your eyes on this product, the time is now to pull the trigger. Just head over to KeishaCharmaine.com, add 2 bottles to your cart, and input the code 2HORSE at checkout and you'll get one of them free. This is a limited time offer, so act fast, shop now. Thank you so much. So, steaming your hair can provide many benefits, especially for improving your hair's moisture retention, improving your hair's general health, and enhancing hair treatments and the efficacy of the hair products you use. So as far as moisture retention goes, steaming helps to open up our hair cuticles, allowing moisture to penetrate deeply. Now this is really beneficial for us with curly, kinky, coily hair that tends to run dry and lose moisture more quickly. Also, steaming helps to improve our hair's elasticity. Our hair's elasticity is really important because the elasticity of our hair is what helps our hair stay strong, prevents breakage and damage. It makes our hair more malleable and more resistant. So it's really important that we enhance our hair's elasticity. That's actually one of the best benefits, in my opinion, of the horsetail leaf growth oil. Because it's abundant in horsetail, which is abundant in silica, silica really helps our hair's elasticity. So this is a product that you want to use for strengthening our hair and improving its elasticity. As far as enhancing product absorption, we want the best out of the products that we use. Steaming can boost the effectiveness of deep conditioners, hot oil treatments, or just your regular oil application. Steam obviously is water, right? Water provides moisture for our hair, and then our oils seal in that moisture, and they also introduce nutrients and minerals to our hair for our hair's overall health. So we can use steaming on a very regular basis before our oil application. Steaming also promotes scalp health as it helps with circulation of blood to our scalp. We need that as our blood carries our nutrients to our follicles, keeping our hair strong and less prone to fall. Steaming also helps to reduce frizz. It helps to keep our hair softer. And I know most of you watching this are probably locked, but for the curly girlies out there, it helps to revive your curls as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and steam my hair for a bit before I go ahead and seal in that moisture with the horsetail leaf growth oil. I'm moving my hair around to ensure that all of my locks receive the steam. I'm going to take special care to my ends. And now I'm going to get closer to my scalp. Not too close to my scalp though, because I don't want to burn myself, but I do want to make sure that my roots get some steam as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and seal that moisture on in with the horsetail leaf growth oil. Treat my hair to all that silica. I find that sometimes I use too much oil when I go and apply it directly to my hair like that. I find that applying it to my hands first works best for me, but whatever works for you. I definitely have that spout for convenience for all of you, but if you find that you are applying too much oil, some signs that you're applying too much oil is if your hair is itchy immediately after application. That could also be a sign of ingredient sensitivity, so definitely be mindful. Another sign that you are applying too much oil is if you find that it is dripping down your face and your neck. And I used to be so bad with that. Ugh. And another sign that you're using too much oil is if you find yourself getting product buildup on your scalp and you don't use a lot of products, you only probably use your oils. Oils, no matter how lightweight they are, they can cause buildup if you are not washing your hair at an appropriate frequency to the amount of oil you're using. So keep that in mind. If you're like, no way, I'm gonna use as much oil as I want, that's cool, more power to you. Just please be washing your hair at the appropriate frequency. I am complete. Do you implement steaming in your hair routine? Is this something you want to try? Leave me a comment below. Make sure you hop on that buy one get one sale for the horsetail leaf growth oil. Our buy one get one free is a more rare sale. We don't do this sale often at all. Okay, so definitely hop on it and get yours now. Head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and use code 2HORSE at checkout after adding 2 bottles to your cart. Remember to text me to join the Healthy Hair Hub, where I share tips, exclusive deals. We have private Zoom sessions, all right? So definitely text me to join. It's free to join. It's a free community. It's a way that you can communicate with me more directly. Reach out to me with any of your hair questions. Text me, I text back. And yes, it's me texting you for real. Also join my email list where I give you hair tips, a lot like in this video, but written out for those of you who prefer to read or who enjoy reading. Maybe that's a way to reinforce what you've learned in these videos. And thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.